Let's see how to screenshot on iPad 10th generation. In the first step, open Settings, then go to Accessibility. After that, choose Touch. In the next step, hold the top button and volume up button together. Then let go immediately. Later, a small image appears at the bottom left side. In the next step, tap the small image to change it. Later, swipe it left to remove it. After that, the picture is saved by itself. In the next step, open Photos. Later, navigate to the Screenshots folder. Now locate your captured image. In the next step, open Settings. Later, go to Accessibility. Now, turn on Assistive Touch. Now tap Assistive Touch, then tap Screenshot. You are good to go.